In the name of Allah, the gracious and the merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I'm General Science teacher and today I'm again here to teach you the next topic of this chapter, which is about the land pollution and the measures to reduce the pollution. As you know that we are studying about the pollution, and there are the different kinds of the pollutions like the water pollution, the air pollution and the land pollutions, which are mainly affecting the ecosystem and the environmental conditions. So what is the pollution? You know that pollution is something change, the adverse and the bad effect and the bad change. Pollution means any change in the properties of the air, water or the land which have the undesirable and the adverse effect on the man and the other living things now or may in the future. So what is land pollution? Yes, that is about the change in the composition and the quality of the land. Land is considered to be polluted if any change occur in its composition or quality by any kind of pollutant. And the land is exactly what which also contribute to the other kind of pollution like the air pollution and the water pollution, because when the land will be polluted, it will also pollute to the water also, to the air also, by throwing the trash into the open places, the different kind of the gases and the different kind of the waste material which are entering into the air and into the water, so they will cause the lot of changes to the environment. Causes of the land pollution, that could be the municipal trash, the sewage sludge, the agriculture waste, the chemical from the industries, which are the major sources of the land pollution. And you know what? The land pollution is affecting to the ecosystem more adversely as compared to the other one, because it is the most contributor towards the every kind of pollution. Due to land pollution, the earth loses approximately 25 billion tons of the valuable topsoil each year, which is most important for the greenery and the freshness of this dying earth. Land pollution is caused through the many things. Example of this is the agriculture, because of the fertilizers excessive use. The efforts of the land pollution could sometimes be fatal. They affects the environment and our health. They can cause the cancer and pollution such as the water pollution. To solve the land pollution, the things we can do is to reduce the use of the trash and the recycle more often. There should be the proper methods to prevent this kind of the pollution. The solid waste are often disposed of by either burning or dumping into the ground. But from the environmental point of view, both these methods are not completely safe, because still the disposed of or the burning will causing the pollution, as the germs and the toxic substances from the heaps of the trash, they are entering into the environment or food by the wind, water and fleas. Germs and the toxic substances, the carried cause of the number of the diseases, and the waste polythene bags, they are often seen flying in the streets of the developing countries where the proper system of the dispose of is not present. They are causing the choking of the drains and the other kind of the diseases to the living organisms. There must be some solutions for the land pollution. The pollution and the environmental degradation can only be prevented if the individual, society, and the government feel their responsibility. Because on every level, everyone is responsible toward these kind of changes to the environment. Everyone should be aware of the sensitivity to the environmental problems which is leading toward the decline of the death, decline of this earth. All should play an active role in the solution of these problems. The prevention or the reduce in the pollution could be only done by the help of all on every level. Agriculture and the industries are essential for the economic development, but still we should follow some measures to reduce the pollution. That could be the reduce, reuse, the recycle, and the compost. Keep calm and stop pollution. Just to avoid the pollution, the agriculture and the industries which are essential at the economic development, but the keeping pollution to the minimum level is more necessary so that all living organisms get the healthy and the happy life. Some measures to reduce the land pollutions are: do not throw the waste articles here and there or into the water bodies. Dispose of things properly. Make the minimum and only the necessary use of resources. Do not waste them. Because to recover the resources again, they require a lot of money, time, and energy. Prefer things that can be reused. Materials can also be recycled. The reuse and the recycle is the best option for measure to reduce the pollution. Prefer things which are the biodegradable also. Biodegradable, those which can easily be decomposed into the simple harmless substances by the action of microorganisms. So microorganism will biodegrade the organic matter into that waste and will enter the nutrients to the soil that will lead to the fertility of the soil. Through the domestic, industrial, and the hospital waste after the treatment and the proper dispose of method, so that they should not be entering into the water, air, and the earth and creating the different kind of pollutions. At government level, the minimum environmental standards must be set and enforced. The owner of the industries and the factories be bound to measures that should minimize the pollution, because if they laws should not be enforced, the pollution could not be controlled. Usually, the industrial waste is entering without treatment in the water bodies, into the air, gases are releasing, and they are throwing the trash onto the land, which is causing the lot of pollutions, and that's why pollution increasing day by day into especially the industrial countries. The most importantly, which we could do for this dying earth is to implant more and more trees, and we should take care of them. Let's watch some methods through which we can reduce the pollutions. Walk or ride your bike whenever possible. One of the best things you can do to reduce the pollution. If the weather is nice, you don't have to go so far. Go for the walk, have a exercise in the fresh air in this process also. Second, use the public transport. This will avoid using the lot of consuming the lot of gases which are releasing into the air. Use the paper bags to avoid the plastic bag which are not biodegradable. Eat the local organic food. That means that you don't have to get transported as far to get that food. Just use your local food to save your money also. Save electricity. Don't keep the lights and the other electric devices on. The more energy you are wasting and the more polluting you are causing to the air. So, this is all about the today's topic. I hope you have cleared about all these points. The land pollution, its causes, and the measures to reduce this all kind of pollutions. Every society has to contribute to save us from the pollution for the future, so that we can live healthy in this life on this earth, because this dying earth require our contribution towards to save the earth. Reduce, reuse, and recycle the things to avoid the pollution. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.